Hey guys, super excited today. Today we finally got our bees from Chile. Our 2 packages have arrived. Minimal dead. And I'm going to show you how I install them, or how I'm going to install them into the new hives, because most people are like, I just dump it, shake it. You've been on a heck of a journey. Let's do this stuff gently, right? Minimal disruption. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing, let's get these hives open. So, we're going to get in there. And we're going to take out, what do I need? 5 frames, take out, maybe 6. Now these frames are from last year, my hives. That didn't do so well, the wasps showed up. But, I mean, they're loaded for these guys, ready to go. You know, we got pollen, we got bee bread. We got everything they're gonna need. Okay? Nice frames for them. Queen's got somewhere to lay. We got some drawn ones that were getting robbed. Queen's got somewhere to put some stuff. Girls still have a little bit of work to do to fill them out, you know. These ones got pollen in them. Little bits. Yeah, see? Nice pollen in there for them. Stuff like that. Alright, let's see if that box fits in there. I got all the sappy stuff leaking out. Okay, that fits in there nicely. Let's go to the next step. Hold on, I need some tools. Alright, so what we're gonna need to do this is a razor blade and some snippers. I'm gonna cut the mesh open. That's what I'm gonna do to release the horde. Slow. Don't hurt anybody. They appear to be, as they claim, super docile. Well, this is how we're just doing this. They know each other here. Girls have had a very long journey. So that's how we're going to open it up. And we're going to get the queen out of here, put her in a couple frames, get them to come out on their own instead of shaking them. Let's be gentle. Let's be gentle. Let's get another frame in there. Alright, can we still see what we're doing? Yes. Okay. Now let's get the feeder jar out, and we'll get our queen out. This thing is very sticky. I don't know what these guys use, but it is thick. Put you aside. Just dump out the liquid here. Just dump that junk out. It's a bloody mess. Just put the girls in there. So, we're gonna get her queen. Put her in the frames. Our wire. Clip our queen. There's our queen. Let's see if she's alive. She's very much alive in there. All the workers are. So she should be good. Oop. Gentle. Pop our cork. Yes, our queen is alive. So we're gonna pop our cork. If I can get it. Sealed it shut a bit here. Alright, I'll get a pair of needle nose to pinch on there. Back in a moment. Alright, that little sucker, that was hard to get out of there. I had to put a pick through it. So she's been in there for a while, so I'm going to take out probably half the candy. I want to release her, but I'm going to get rid of some of the work the girls have to do. That'll do. Alright, let's hang her in a frame. The girls are ready. Let's try it. And that like that. Maybe. There we go. Oh, she's in there. Now we're going to close this up and let them come out. Come back in a couple hours, see what happens. Alright, guys. Check back in a minute. Let's go do the same on the other box. Alright, let's go back to our next one. See how these girls are doing. And they're quite happy to get out of there. Yeah. How's it going, girls? Alright, let's get this nasty syrup out of here again. Come on. Come on. Alright. This one's a little bit more upset. You can tell. I took one up the arm sleeve. That's what you get for risking it. Alright, girls, let's get rid of this nasty liquid. Yeah, a little bit more protective. A little bit more protective. That's okay. Alright, let's try and do this queen, see how they react. Might have to get protection. Don't know. I don't think so, but we'll see how they act with the queen. Girls, watch out now. Watch out. Get the queen out. Come on. Let's check our queen. See how she's doing. Everything appears to be live and well inside there. It's awesome. Oh, the energy that comes off these guys when they start climbing all over you. I'm telling you. Cool. She's marked too. I think I've seen a white dot on there. There we go. Half of it out. So I can put her in there. Well, as they proclaim, super docile. I mean, these guys are so intelligent, they're gonna be so friendly. But they're not. I like this. This is good. Put her there for now till we get some more frames in there. Oh, look at that pollen. Ooh, loaded. Loaded both sides. Ooh, that's a good one. And then we're gonna want room. More pollen. Nice. And I'm gonna put that on the other side actually. Now we're looking for laying space. We got honey, pollen, brood chamber. Alright, I'm gonna do brood chamber, pollen, honey. That's how I'm gonna lay it out. Another one. Some work still left to be done on there, honey. This is good. Gives them room. They'll move the honey around if they need to, you know. Okay. And move her over to here. Yeah. Liking the temperament of these girls. Liking the temperament. Very nice. Okay. Close that up. Let them do their thing for a bit. We need a little spacer. Put the top cover on. Because this is a bit higher. I'm going to squish them if we don't. Use the cover. Just a little spacer for now. Close it up, get it dark in there for them. we go. Packages installed. It's just that easy, guys. Check back in a couple hours, let you know how it is. So I ended up having to shake them out a little bit, but they look good. Just waiting for them to go down to the frames a little bit. I can close this back up. Most of them out. Putting that there, maybe they'll go down. I have to shake them a couple more times. We got the other one emptied, but what a sticky, nasty mess that stuff is. Nasty. There you go, guys. Done and done.